Hello, what's up, people? Welcome back to another vlog. This vlog is right after I came back from Visakhapatnam, right? And today we have something very important to do. That is, we're going to get our bike serviced. As you can see, wait, as you can see, it says service in 500 kilometers. But the problem is, the coming weekend, that is the Friday, the coming, I don't know, what, 10th of January, I'll be going on another ride. So I need my bike serviced before that because in the weekdays I'll be working and I can't go and get my bike serviced. I have the weekends to do it. So today is the Saturday, 4th of January, and I'm going to get my third service done. So this is close to like once I hit 21,000 kilometers, something close to 20,000. So yeah, getting the bike serviced today. Second thing was, I didn't shoot anything when I was coming back from Visakhapatnam because I basically wanted to do like a speed run of it. So I started at around 7 a.m. In Visakhapatnam at my grandmother's place, and I reached Hyderabad city outskirts. That is Vanasalipuram area, that is Ramoji Film City area, by 5 o'clock. But the issue was, it was the 1st of January, and I had to pass through all the major hotspots of Hyderabad. There was so much traffic, and by the time I came home, it was 8 p.m. Well, I caught you on cam, bro. I caught you on cam. Littering. Littering. I mean, there's no help. There's no proper facility at the dustbin truck guy comes, but then they don't do their job well, man. They demand money. Like, if anyone from the government officials, I know they won't be obviously seeing my videos, but yeah, this is something that you'll have to put up front. Like, if we give them the waste, they demand money. So, like I said, I'm going to get my bike serviced. There are some things that we'll have to check on, like get my chain tightened, brakes tightened, and yeah, basically, and then all the regular maintenance like the engine oil change, all that has to be done once you hit the service window. Right now, one major issue I'm facing is I need fuel. The problem is the fuel I have in my bike right now is all the way from Vijayawada. So I fueled up in Vijayawada, and then whatever is left in it is what I'm using now. And I have only 10 kilometers of range left. And I don't want to pull my bike aggressively right now because it is going to drink it up easily, very, very easily. So the point is I have less than a liter of fuel left in my bike. And I don't trust this range on. Any moment my bike will stall and give up on me. So that's the first thing. And I don't wanna fuel up fully today, as I'll be going to the service station. Once the service is done tomorrow or so, I'll just fuel it up again. That should do it. Yeah, so those are some of the issues. And then I don't know, I feel it's like a common issue with all the 310 GSS. But there's a small, I think it's one of these plastic BMW blockbusters that I have. I mean, they create a plastic vibration sound once I cross, once like the bike is facing good enough vibrations. So yeah, I don't know if that is replaceable or not. But if not, anyways, I've made my mind up to get better backbusters. And I am saving up money also to get my top box fitted because I'll be needing a top box pretty soon. I don't want to sit and tie my luggage to my bike every time I ride, and basically then I won't be able to ride with a pillion and stuff. The whole pannier setup, I'll take some time on it. Yeah, we are here at a fuel tank, fuel pump, so we're safe for now. I'll catch up once we are out of here. Yeah, so I'll be going to the service station. I don't know how many times I'm telling this, but yeah, we're going to the BMW service station, Jubilee Hills. Man, I'm so tired today. So, what do I talk about? Stay tuned in this video. If possible, and if things work out well, I might test drive a new BMW today. So stay tuned for that. That is something that is going to come up. Do not skip the video. And yeah, before you see anything more, why don't you just help me with one more small thing, man? Like everyone who is watching right now, just go down into the description. Near the description area, you will see one red color button that is called subscribe. Click it. That'll be of great help to me. Also, like the video if you like what I am doing, and also do comment like what you want to see. Traffic again. Okay, I think I'll see you at the service station. Wait a minute, I want this part to be on the video. Right now, there's only one place. As you can see, I'm going up an incline. We're going to take a right turn to Jubilee Hills from here. And I just love this part of the road, man. It's like just such a steep gradient down. You have to go down such a steep gradient, I just love it. Oh yeah, that's the right time to turn on a camera, bro. I'm sorry if you're wearing headphones. That's just the excitement. Oh yeah, you can see. The bridge is already going down. And then, it's like a fucking ramp. Damn. Look at all those houses in the valley. Is gear management. That's pretty much it. I mean, it was worth turning on the camera as I spotted a Porsche. Give me way, uncle. Give me way. Thank you. Chalo. From now on, there's nothing much to show. I'll just see you at the service station. Bye bye. Holy hell, there are a lot of bikes for service today. I see them. I'm not have to come back tomorrow, I guess. I hope not. Because I'll be crying on that thing. I'm not recording, yes I am, but I don't know what to do. Let's roll in for a service. Yeah. Never mind. Getting the chain tightened. A lot of other things to watch out. Getting the chain tightened. Then basic service check. Looks like my brake pads are all fine. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Get a clean shower to the bike. We're back on the road. As good as new. Chain is a major issue. Like my chain is almost gonna start rusting. And I don't know what to do with it. But yeah, the bike.
So here I was getting bored about the I was getting bored at the service station basically. So I went around shooting some of the bikes that BMW have. As you can see, I've shot the F900 GS, the 1300 GS, and the C02. Amazing bikes. I'll just put some 120 FPS shots of it. One day, well, I basically didn't have the chance to test drive any of those because the showroom was pretty busy with their deliveries and stuff. So next time I go there, mostly I'll be going back there again in the coming week for another small issues. I mean, not with the bike, some other things that I have to talk about. So at that time, I'll definitely ask for a test drive and show it to you guys.
Oh, I got lost on the way to you in an orange sky by the ocean blue. Every mile lost, my soul renewed, taken by the sunrise and the golden view. Walking slowly in the mountains underneath the constellations. Yeah, I know that you've been waiting for me. Time is losing all its meaning, like I'm living in a dream, and I've been chasing all the feelings I need. It's in these moments with words unspoken, my eyes wide open, life tastes so sweet. It's in these moments where all I know is coming into focus, and now I see. It's in these moments. It's in these moments. Oh, I got lost on a winding road in the dark of night with the stars aglow. Heaven's up above, got me below as I head to you like the river flows. Walking slowly in the mountains underneath the constellations. Yeah, I know that you've been waiting for me. Time is losing all its meaning, like I'm living in a dream, and I've been chasing all the feelings I need. It's in these moments with words unspoken, my eyes wide open, life tastes so sweet. It's in these moments where all I know is coming into focus, and now I see. It's in these moments. It's in these moments. It's in these moments. Oh, I got lost on the way to you in an orange sky by the ocean blue. Every mile lost, my soul.
The oil is being drained. It's been changed.
Hey. Well, done. I got a very good bill for it. I'll get back home, put a copy of a bill, and show it properly, like how much did it cost and stuff. Oh man, the bike feels very smooth, very smooth. The new chain, stiffer suspension. I got my suspension a little slightly stiffer because I felt like over the period of 20,000 kilometers, the suspension got a lot stiffer than, I mean, a lot smooth, soft. So I don't like a soft suspension, to be honest. Oh yeah, perfect. So, what all did I get changed? There was a chain sprocket change, oil filters, air filters, engine oil change. That's pretty much it. I should still get my engine bash plate fixed, man. I'm still using the stock plastic one that BMW gives. So I have to get that changed. Yes, I'll just tell you what it costed me around. So they gave me a quotation of around 15,000 for my third service, but luckily it got covered in 13,000. So that made me happy, put a smile on my face. Oh, we have a new Decathlon here. Nice. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, even that I was mentioning that plastic rattle sound, right? Let me just see. Yabba. That was so close, bro. Wrong route में ऐसा लगा रहा है भाई. बहुत बढ़िया. चिकन के लिए गोटे मुंह में आ गए. Ah, I'll have to learn to censor myself. Oh yeah, there's no plastic vibration sound. Let's go. I'm excited today and I'm shouting into my mic and then I forget that I didn't put my audio gain down and then it's gonna be bad. Wait a second. Well, kudos to me. I was recording in standard mode and I didn't put it in wide mode. So that few seconds of footage would be dumb for you guys. So basically, I got my bike serviced because this Friday I'll be going to Bangalore again for my Sankranti vacation. Oh my god, the traffic. I don't know what to do now. This is the only route that I can go. And I'm gonna stop here and search for another route. I don't wanna go that way. Chalo, I'll see you at home once I'll show you the service notice and all. Chalo. Okay. Just had forgotten some 2 or 3 minor things that I have to check. Basically in Film Nagar, man. It's like the Hollywood Hills of Hyderabad. You know, that California areas. Oh my god. These places have so much gradation that I just love it. Love it! I just fell in love home with a bike, man. It feels so good after the service. Butter smooth. Oh, it's worth it, man. Totally worth it. It's time for me to check maps again because I'm completely new to this area and then I don't want to miss my route. Chalo.
Here is the bill of the service. It's not that bad, but yeah, the service is totally worth it. That was my trip to the service station. The service is done very well.